Hey everyone. Um, as you could tell in my videos, I just seem to be really sporadic. I'm all over the place. I'm just mad, and I had gotten four things in the mail all at once, and it's the only four things I got in the mail that day and yesterday, and they were all relating to my son. And the death certificates came in the mail, and I had ordered five of them. Sorry, my lips are just so dry. I'm still dehydrated. It just doesn't seem right, like the death certificate. I wanted a copy of the incident report, and they're giving me the runaround, taking me from to different counties, and their time of death is wrong. They got my name wrong. I mean, I don't understand it. I guess that's a small town for you, believe me. And sometimes I don't know if I'm just gonna, if I should just let go of this. I mean, is it going to hurt me more to like to do this investigation and get an incident report and go through all these phone records that came in the mail? There's literally like, let's see, about 60 pages of phone records. Should I put myself through that, or should I just say, just let it go? What's done is done, because I don't know what to do, you guys. I'm really bothered by a lot of things, but then again, I just don't, because I miss him. I physically miss him. I'm human, and this is my nature to miss my child and my son, my only son that lived here with me. He's everywhere. And I have to face this. I face it head on by myself, in the house. And sometimes I talk to him and sometimes I don't. And sometimes I tell him I love him and sometimes I tell him I'm mad at him. And, but anyway, we'll get to that stuff in February, because I want to start telling you guys stuff, because there's just so much of it. I don't want to forget anything. Maybe I should start writing things down. Because I even want to tell you guys, our last text message to each other was just insane. Weird messages. That weird message the day he died. Never said anything like that to each other before. So, and just stuff. There's just stuff. So, anyway, I want to get through some other stuff I'm going through, and still trying to just relax through it all and take care of the dog. I'm still tired and dizzy, and I don't even like to leave the house. I have to get through it. And I don't know what's going to help me get there other than you guys' well wishes and my prayers to God, and realizing this is God's plan. And I hang on to the fact that I'll see him again one day, and that's one of my survival techniques. So, all right, you guys, that's where I'm at today. And I'm going to do like 30 of these videos, of the grief videos, and then start talking about other things. I'm just giving myself 30 days of grief, even though it's more than 30 days, because I don't do a video every day. But it's just these videos are just about what someone's going through when something this tragic happens. And the first 30, 60 days, whatever, is important, I think, for other people to know, because I do have some helpful helpful things to tell you guys, if anybody's having some hard times inside their home behind closed doors with their teenage kids or anything. I've got some warning signs for people, and I got some things to tell you can look out for, because when I got my signs, they're so far and few between that you didn't pick up on them. So you got to know the signs and the warning signs of someone who's depressed, and the signs of someone who's just trying to not to make you think everything's okay, because kids will do that. Okay, so that's my little video for today, you guys. Peace in our homes and in our hearts. And let's have a better 2021. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.